Good day everyone and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Franco Allo and this channel is all about knife knowledge, reviews, unboxings, and head-to-heads. Today is an unboxing video of a gorgeous YoshOmi Kato Chukabocho. Now, what do you think of the knife? Oh, that's right. I purposely cut off the frame right where you would see the knife on the cutting board. So you know what? Without further ado, let's go straight to some unboxing footage so that you can see it and then we'll come back and talk about it. That is what we call a nice piece of wood. Like capital N-I-C-E, nice! This is a nice piece of wood. And it's also my saya. Can't wait to dig in here, but this is a strong start. By the way, this is made by Derek. This isn't coming from YoshImi Kato. This is a Derek handmade saya. Becca wants to see. Throw? That is a lot of padding. This guy is serious. Nice little pamphlet from Kato-san. Care instructions. Here's the handle. Do you detect my face? There you go. Here's the handle. And now, the big reveal! That is one tall bad boy. I think it should be 74 millimeters high. Holy. What? Oh my god, that's a nice profile. Gorgeous contoured spine. Nice contoured choil. It's gonna be super comfortable to hold. Wow. Look at that. This is what he calls his Migaki Damascus. It's so shiny you can see my setup. See if I can show you the mic. Ooh, so close. Yeah. First impressions, very strong. Everything is incredibly well made. There is no rough edge. Everything is so smooth. Everything is contoured, even Derek saya. Wow, that is nice. I know, I'm a tease. What can I say? I just think it's funner that way. But now that you saw the unboxing and you can see the knife in my hands, here's what I want you to know. So this is a knife from YoshOmi Kato, who is a blacksmith and an artisan from the Takefu Knife Village in Echizen. He is one of many fabulous artisans at the Takefu Knife Village, such as Yu Kurosaki and Takumi Ikeda as well. But this knife is from YoshOmi Kato. Now YoshOmi Kato also works on a few other lines. He works on the Masakage Kiri, Koishi, and Yuki lines. He's probably best known for his craftsmanship on the Masakage Koishi line, as well as his gorgeous SG2 Black Damascus, which is his own line. Now this one he actually calls a Migaki Damascus. So in terms of dimensions, we're looking at 178mm blade length, 76mm belly depth. It is SG2. He calls this one his Migaki Damascus, and it's 63 layers of Damascus. The handle is going to be a Burma paddock with a sandalwood collar or bolster. And this gorgeous saya, which of course came from my buddy Derek Brown, this one is made out of Morado Santos rosewood. Rosewood I've never heard of in terms of variety, but as you can tell from the grain, it is truly, truly stunning. Now I know some of you are probably going to say, Frankie, is that really a Chukabocho? It looks to be a little bit on the small end, and you're not wrong. A Chukabocho, I think in terms of the definitions on a few websites that I've cruised, will say that it starts with a belly depth of 80 millimeters. Now this one's 76, so maybe to appeal to the masses, we can call this a Chukabocho inspired nakiri, but really Chuka means Chinese or Chinese style, Bocho is kitchen knife, and this to me really does remind me of a Chukabocho. Now a Chukabocho is essentially a Japanese inspiration of the Chinese style cleaver. More specifically, the Chinese Kai Dao cleaver. Now, unlike the cleaver that you're probably thinking of, this isn't the cleaver that I would use to say spatchcock a chicken. As you can see from the troll shot, it is incredibly thin. It has a very thin spine, and so yes, though it has some weight and heft to it, and it's still, I'd say, let's have a look. It is blade heavy. It's blade heavy because of how long and how deep it is, and not because of how thick it is. And so I would not use this to spatchcock a chicken or to use in a way where it's going to be very abusive. It has a very, very thin edge. It has a gorgeous contoured spine. And again, the weight is coming more from the height of the knife than anything else. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you some food demo footage of this knife in action, because I'm sure y'all want to see how it performs. I'm using this against some food items that I have in my fridge. Some are your typical food items, and I also went out and bought a Napa cabbage because I felt that a gorgeous knife like this needed to see what it was like to cut a beautiful Napa cabbage. So enjoy that food footage, and I'll see you when you come back. So there you have it. I hope you guys have enjoyed that food demo. I have absolutely loved using this knife ever since I got it. In fact, I love it so much, and because of its characteristics, it being a stainless, but a high quality stainless steel knife, and because it's so large and because it's so multi-purpose, I'm pretty sure I'm about to make this my new default camping knife. Typically, I'll bring, I think, my Kotetsu Type 2 150mm petty and a 210mm Gyuto on the stainless side. But instead of those two knives, since I have a gorgeous saya to protect this is now my camping knife. If you enjoyed the content that I've been putting out, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so that you are kept up to date with the latest videos. And until then, see you next time.